I really don't start talking or anything else until the camera's on. Actually, I talk all the time. Don't listen to me. I talk all the time. Hey, I'm here because I've done a couple of things. First of all, I found this this corner bead at Home Depot. It's called Mud On Apply with All-Purpose Drywall Compound, but it looks like straight flex. Really, it looks like straight flex. Big stick. It is straight flex. Oh, it is made by Straight Flex. And I use this. I use this for the corner beads in here. It looks really good. And if I'm not mistaken, they say you can hit this and smash this, and it won't ding it. It'll bounce right back. But the big thing is that's not why I'm running this video. I'm doing this video because I get a lot of questions. Can you tape and coat on top of it right away? And yes, you can. Had I pre-filled this with Durabond and taped this with all-purpose, I could turn around and coat this in right away. I just did it on the previous job before I got here. But here, I wanted to, it's not very much. Here, I'll start up this camera too. I'll start up this camera so we can show cameras together. But if I show you, if you step back a little bit, Dan, this isn't very much. It's only about eight footers. There's only about eight foot sheets here, and so instead of pre-filling this and then taping it and topping it, it kind of the other job was going to take me longer than I thought it was, and I was only going to run in here and tape and coat this right away and get out of here. But I thought, you know what? As small as this job is, I'm not going to just pre-fill it and then tape it and then top it. I'm just going to tape it with Durabond. So I mixed up, not much. I still got quite a bit left, but I mixed up Durabond 45. It's upside down because if I flip it right side up, it's going to spill out all over the place. And I have a big cow pie left over of Durabond 45. You see it over there? And but I taped all of this with the Durabond 45. So it's pre-filled and taped all at once. Now when I coat this out, I'm going to put another top coat on top of this. So this is actually going to get 3 coats. It's going to get a coat of Durabond and 2 coats of topping. But all of this is only going to get 2 coats on top of it. I'm going to coat it out with +3, and then when it dries, I'll dust it down and coat it out with +3 again. But take a look at the screws. See the screws in here? So this guy that's holding the camera right now has worked with me for a couple of days, maybe 3 or 4 days at the most, and he did all of the screws. Now, are they like mine? No, they're not, but all of them are ready to skim. They're all ready to skim. My last camera guy helper, after 2 years, he couldn't get the screws to look that good. After working with me for 2 years. And then one day I asked him, what's wrong with you? How come you can't get this? 2 years, I never gave the guy a raise. Never. I couldn't because he just couldn't do it. And he goes, it's not that I can't do it, Ray. He goes, I just don't want to. I'm like, oh, get out. You're gone. You're gone. So, but my gosh, after a couple of days, I mean, I pay this guy $2, $3, $4 more than the other guy. After he'd been working with me for 2 years, this guy makes $4 an hour more just working with me for a week or so. So it's well worth it. So hey, thanks, camera guy. Put your thumb up there in front of the camera. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.